Welcome back to my series where I talk about my finances, investments, and share what I've learned on my journey so far. I have zero background in finance and am very new to investing. This is not financial advice. You should always do your own research and decide what is best for you. Today, I did my first investing for July 2026. As I mentioned in a previous video, my first handful of investments into my Wealth Simple account were into 3 different REITs. I bought Granite, Dream, and RioCan. I started with $600 in my Wealth Simple TFSA in June. Over the last few weeks, that grew by about $7.33. Today, I put $400 into my Wealth Simple TFSA after a good couple of hours of research and decision making, which is absolutely overboard from what you need to do. So please don't let that scare you. That's just what my brain needs in order to process and make decisions. I decided to add to my Granite and Dream REITs and then bought my first stocks in Smart Centers and Chartwell Retirement Residences. I purchased 2 Granite shares, a little over 97 Canadian dollars each. I put $200 into Smart Centers. And then I put my remaining $25.63 into Dream. One of the many great things about Wealth Simple is you can buy fractional shares. So even if you only have $20 to invest, you can put that into any REIT, ETF, stock, etc. that you want, and it will buy you the fractional amount that's worth $20. Next time you want to invest more money into that same thing, it will add whatever fractional shares you purchased then with your previous fractional shares to slowly build up to a full one, and so on. This is especially good for the shares that are worth hundreds of dollars and maybe you don't have $500 to invest in one share at that exact moment. You can slowly build up to it with an app that allows you to buy fractional shares. I'm doing my best to make this sound as natural as possible, but it's really hard for my brain to read information and then regurgitate it all immediately. It just takes a lot longer for it to process, so I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm just reading from a script. I kind of am for all the numbers. Again, this is not financial advice. You should definitely do your research into what you want to invest in, but I personally have decided that I'm going to start with these 5 REITs. I'm not going to be adding anything else to my REIT portfolio at this time. I'm just going to slowly continue growing them. And next time I'm able to invest a chunk of money, I'm going to start investing into ETFs. But I will get into that as I start investing into them because I'm still working on my research and finding out which ones exactly I want to invest in. If you enjoyed hearing this and maybe learned something, give me a follow and come back for my next video, which I'm going to break down what my 5 REITs actually are, what they're invested into, and what that means.